Good day, everyone. Thanks you for joining ElliotWave.com, powered by JobaFX Capital. Well, I'll be doing these every single day, the Euro USD and the USD ZAR. So what are my feelings towards the Euro USD? I still think Euro USD is still going to go up quite a bit. But I think this is actually the final leg that it's going through right now. Until it reaches a specific area, then there's going to be a huge correction, because in my understanding, in terms of Elliott wave theory, we are still on wave 5 of the bigger trend, meaning we are going for the last uptrend, and then that will be followed by a huge retracement, and then but still the overall movement for Euro USD is still up. I don't see the Euro USD coming down anytime soon, unless there's an invalidation according to Elliott wave that I have. You just have to remember that Elliott wave does not actually predict the future, because sometimes when there's invalidation, that means you need to change your wave count. So what I'm saying here, I'm not saying that it's exactly going to happen the same way, but what I'm saying here is that there's a possibility of it happening. Should this happen, then that will mean that another count is more valid than the other count. But on my side, every condition has been met. We are on wave 5 for Euro USD, and I'll be showing you that quickly. When you go to the USD ZAR, many people might be happy and think that Euro USD, the rand is actually getting stronger. But matter of fact is, we are about to go up, because it's actually stuck in the ABCDE triangle. USD ZAR is currently trapped in the triangle, and I think this is actually the final leg before we start going up. So we are on E. That's what I think. I think we are on E, and then after hitting E, that will basically be the complete correction. The correction was very complex, so it's going to be the complete correction of wave B, and then we're going to start going up. This ABC pattern is basically an upside. It's a bullish ABC pattern, so we might actually go all the way up after completing the wave B. And once again, in case it does not go up again, I don't want people to say on the comment section saying that but you predicted this. No one can predict the market. It's just basically a game of probability. It's just that with Elliott wave, it gives you more guidance. If this count does not work, then this count works. So, but according to what I've analyzed, I'm seeing USDs are going to 18s, and in the future, not in the near future, but in the near future, I'm seeing it easily hitting 16, and then in midterm we could easily go to 17s and 18s, you see. But yeah, it's going to be very, very rough for the for the rand. The dollar is just going to keep on getting stronger against the rand. So now let's look at the analysis and see what I'm talking about. Okay, this is what I mean when I say Euro USD is still going to go up. So according to harmonic Elliott wave, we are currently on wave, let's have a look. We are currently on wave 1 of the bigger trend. So this is wave 1 of wave 1 of a bigger trend. And then I'm thinking that wave 1 will finish round about there. And once it finishes here, then we'll go down. We're going to have a big retracement, maybe all the way to 1.097. That is what I was talking about when I mentioned the big retracement. So on the daily charts, we should complete wave 5 roundabout in this area here. We should complete wave 5 roundabout here. So this wave 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This wave 5 as well also has its own impulses in here. So we will have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5. So that will basically determine how long will Euro USD take for it to reach the next selling point, which is run about in this yellow box here. So now we need to go to a 4-hour chart. If you go to a 4-hour chart, this is further it's broken down, because now you can clearly see that we have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and then a 5 all the way here. So I'm expecting Euro USD to come down further, just further down all this area here on 1.108.116, somewhere there, somewhere in this region here. If it goes down here, then I'll be expecting a buy here, and then I'll take it, I'll place a buy here, and then I'll go all the way up, and hopefully it's gonna reach this area here, which this is the target area. I can tell you right now that Euro USD has not finished going up. It's still gonna go up and go up to this area here, to the 1.12s, and once it reaches here, that's where I'm gonna place my sell. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting now with the Euro USD, because it needs to complete wave 5. As you can see, this is wave 4, so it needs to complete wave 5 here. And if you're looking at this also needs to complete another fifth of another fifth. So we're still expecting wave 5 to complete roundabout there. Please note that this is actually harmonic Elliott wave. So some of you who have basic knowledge on Elliott wave theory, or some of you who have just advanced knowledge in Elliott wave theory, might say, why am I putting ABCs on the impulse? It's just the way it is with harmonic Elliott wave. We are basically trading the what you call this, the zigzags. We're basically the zigzags, which are called the fractals. We are trading the fractals, and even the Fibonacci's for this are structurally suited for this type of trading the fractals. So don't mind the ABCs on an impulse. It's just that's how harmonic Elliott wave is. So now I'm expecting this to hit wave 4 in this area, and then once it hits wave 4, and then we're going to go all the way up. So this is going to be a good opportunity for buyers to come in the market in this area here. So that is Euro USD for you. So we're still going to go all the way up. Okay, I'm going to put my invalidation point. Okay. So if let me do this. So it's going to be invalid if the price crosses this area. That means the price is just going to continue going down. Invalid. It's going to be invalid. So if the price continues going down, this will basically be invalid. If it crosses this area 1.10, the whole analysis is going to be invalid. That means that the count is not right. So therefore we need to adjust the count. But so far so good. So far so good. Let's just see. Let's go to Usdzar. And another confirmation point, sorry about that. Another confirmation point that if this will definitely go up is here. If it crosses above the 1.11747, that will also confirm a proper wave count if it goes above this price here. But obviously, we are not going to enter here. We're just going to enter in this area here. We're just going to use our own confirmation tools, and then we're going to place an order. Okay, so let's go to US. Okay, let me just show you a bit on, maybe you can also see this. Basically, what's happening here is just supply and demand. So what's happening is basically supply and demand. And I'm expecting the Euro USD to hit this zone here. We also have a point of control on 1.10787, meaning here there's a lot of buys. I mean, so a lot of orders in this region here. There's a lot of orders in this region here, and most of them are actually buy orders. So if the price comes down to this area here, obviously the buyers wouldn't want to be negative, so they're going to place more orders here in this area here, which is around about 1.10787. And then they're going to be wanting to put more orders here, which will actually push this all the way up. And hence why, if you go back to the Euro USD here, it actually shows you it's around about the same area as well in this area here. Here we also have a point of control. Sorry, not point of order, point of control here. So that's where we should look to buy the Euro USD. use your own confirmations. So now let's go to the USD-ZAR. Okay, this is what I think with you. This is what I think will happen to USD-ZAR. So I was saying that USD-ZAR is stuck in the triangle. Sorry about the planes and all this stuff. I was saying that the USD-ZAR is stuck in the triangle, which looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. It's an A, a B, a C, a D, and an E. Actually, I was expecting USD-ZAR. This was going to be my E here. So I was expecting USD-ZAR from here to go all the way up. Seems as if it failed to do that. So this could be, because there was the face count of A, B, C in the triangle, the triangle that looks like this. So there's also another chance that, let me just get rid of this. There's also another analysis here, which I'll show you right now. Yes, I need to go back. So I'll show you right now what I think could happen now. So this could be an A, a B, and a C. And yeah, after C, there's normally a reversal. And after that, and then inside that, we could have, let's see, could have a leading diagonal inside here. Like that. Okay, enter price territory of wave 1. Sorry. There we go. So you could have something that looks like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5 here. And then here we also have, so we have another 5. What do you get at the end of 5? You also get, so this triangle now is no longer valid. So here, what I see here is another one, which is a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, and then a 5. So we know that we might have a leading diagonal inside another leading diagonal. So there we go. And we all know after wave 5 what happens. After wave 5, there's a reversal. Let's see the target area of wave 5 here. So if I do this, okay, let me use this. Okay, we should be around about the same area here. We should be going up. So it's either this, as you can see, or the triangle is still valid. For me, this looks like a triangle, and this could also be another count, which is perfectly fine. If I use this and look for wave 5, I'm just going to use my Fibonacci. Excuse me. So I'm going to do this. Wave 5. So wave 5, you see where there's a green area? The green area tells you the targets where wave 5 should be. So we are actually in the target area of wave 5. Okay, so if I do this, I want to see how it's going to look like. We are still in the target area of wave 5. This area here and that area here, we're still in the target area. This also 100 here is also a target area for wave 5. So this is actually a very strong support. It could actually put the USD-ZAR going all the way up. But how far can it go up? If I look at this, it's going to go all the way up. Like I said, I'm seeing it going easily to the 16s. If I go to the weekly chart, you can clearly see that this is an uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend, but it seems as if that uptrend is getting broken. But this could also be a fake out. It could be a fake out. The price might actually go back into this channel here. Okay, so that is what I'm expecting on both pairs for today. and I'll update you tomorrow on what's transpired. If nothing happened, there'll be no need for me to upload another video because I'll be basically saying the same thing. So see you next time.